day, I don't even know of quarantine. So I thought, why not make some thermite? If you want to try this at home, which you probably shouldn't, but if you do, make sure you have the right safety gear, like a respirator, glasses, fork, that stuff. If you want to do this project, you'll need 2 pounds of red iron oxide or just rust. So that's 1 pound there, 1 pound there. And you'll also need 12 ounces of aluminum powder. Together this should cost around 30 bucks. So after you're done with that, you want to grab 2 gallon-sized bags because you want to double bag this stuff so nobody gets into it, because it's 1, not great for your lungs, and 2, not great for your body if it touches you. So when you're doing this, you definitely want to wear latex gloves, or if you're allergic to latex, obviously non-latex gloves. But either way, they're medical grade. They're meant for, like, if blood spills on you, PPE. You want to be wearing those so nothing gets on you when you're doing this. Obviously, I've failed at that, but that's alright.
Get him! Get him! How is this key is over? You bring it. Oh my god. Oh, he's low. This guy's low. Low. Super low. Just lay down. That's the only. He's low.
Working. See, 4,000 degrees up there on top, so it's not gonna make it down. There you go.
Yeah, that's thermite. No, you're not supposed to really look at that.
Oh, damn, now you
Yeah, so all that time. Yeah, I wouldn't touch that. We melted iron. Woo.
But now you ruined the whole thing. It's got sand here.
So what you get out of this reaction is aluminum oxide, or slag, and iron. Now all the iron is going to be in the lowest part because it's the heaviest metal. It's the most dense. So that's why you see most people put like their thermite in clay pots, because they have a hole in the middle. So it's gonna drop down. I'm gonna hit it with some water and wash it off. So if you guys get 50 likes on this video, I'll turn this into this.